Pythonista is an app on the iPhone and iPad that allows you to run Python on your own device. Now, it doesn't allow you to create apps, but as you can see, it is quite dynamic in what it can do in terms of animation and access to the device itself. It comes with lots of examples like this analog clock, which I showed earlier with animation, and it uses vector graphics. And there's other examples here, such as this magic text that demonstrates the touch and more animation and more effects. And it's quite pretty, really. Now, not all of the examples are useful, but they all demonstrate a different feature that you can access. And the code is quite simple to read, especially if you've done some Python before. The Option-C allows you to see that you can use really low level features like accessing the battery level of the device. Music Stats accesses your music library. So you've got full access to the phone. It's like being an app developer, but it's running an interpreted environment, Python, that we're used to. Here we can see some of the math plotting. Again, you could use this to do vector graphics. This is a 3D plot. And we can do a path, and we can draw a little heart here, a funky heart shape. And you've got user interface widgets. So this allows us to do a little sketch app. So I could create a sketching app on my iPad and use the stylus that I've got. And that demonstrates also that you can save these images out. You can save them to your image library, your photo library. So we can use graphics to do random dice rolls, but also we can use it in the today, so we can actually show it on our home screen. Here's another example where we can show recent photos. Again, accessing that camera roll. And this is a launcher that allows you to launch URLs, and because of the URL scheme, you can actually launch Python scripts and launch your web browser from this launch. There's lots of documentation and there's a good community online. So it's well worth checking out, and the app itself is $9, but I'm sure you get a lot more than $9 value out of it by automating and tweaking your workflow using apps of your own creation.